You cannot charge tenants a deposit for viewing your property. Now, this is something I'm seeing more and more often among self-managing, self-letting landlords, where they're charging tenants a deposit to come and view their property. And actually, I understand the reasons why a lot of landlords are doing this, but you just cannot do it. It's illegal. The tenant fee ban has been enforced now for a good few years, and it effectively means you can't charge tenants anything. If you're unsure about certain things that you can or cannot charge tenants for, then contact me. I'll let you know straight away. I'll answer every email I can. It's tom@soanegroup.co.uk, or just comment below and I'll answer the comment, or you can message me through my Facebook page. Whichever way, contact me and I'll let you know what you can and can't charge tenants for. Now, actually, like I say, I understand. I get the reasons why landlords are doing this. First of all, it makes it less likely for the tenant just to not show up to a viewing, which saves your time. It makes sure that less tenants are going to waste your time, but you just can't do it. And it also makes sure that the tenant is more serious about actually moving into your property, or at least is ready to proceed, but you just can't do it. So if you are a self-managing, self-letting landlord, then please do not advertise anywhere that you are going to charge a deposit for viewings. Please do not charge deposits for viewings, because you will get a very heavy penalty. You'll be made an example of, and it will not be very pleasant. Or, hey, if you want my letting agency to find your tenant, to vet them, to do full comprehensive referencing, employment status, contract checking, credit checking, tenant interviews, affordability checks, all of the above and more, then just let me know and I'll connect you up with my lettings team, and we will find you a good tenant, and we'll set up a fully compliant and accurate tenancy as well, and we'll move the tenant in so that you don't have to take the responsibility for all of those things. However you contact me, just get in touch and we'll take care of it from there. Or if you're going to do it yourself, just don't charge any deposits.